Hi guys, welcome to Getting Thrifty.
Why is your phone attached to your bag?
It's new. We're going thrift shopping. Can we go thrift shopping? Thrift shopping. Okay, we're going to the thrift shop. I haven't even introduced you guys. Okay, this is Summer. Just lost the mail. And this is Sinead.
I'm a bit bad.
You've met her before. It's been here before. Right, thrift shop number 1 in Manchester. We'll give you a review of what we think about. Here we are. Oh my god, I love it already.
Life original.
I've got to find number 1. I'm shy. Ooh. Okay, I'm getting this jumper. Yeah, she wants them. Big bag. So they've got a jacket, jumpers, and a jumper. Next one. Street rats. Alright, we're at the next place, which is a vintage kilo sale. Let's go. How vintage. I think that's why I'm like obsessed. This one. Yes. Yes. Alright, we weren't successful in this one just because it's too expensive and I'm broke. I've got my kilo sale, so I think I'm alright really. Hello there! Good, Summer spotted this jazzy thing for a jazzy girl. On the way back now. In the Uber.
Show all the shop.
Yeah, we've got so much. Hang on. Hello, everybody. Ooh, funky. This is another one. It's just like really cute. Little cardigan thing, majiggy. So yeah, Sinead said it's giving off art teacher vibes. Yeah, really is. Okay, no, I do actually really like it.
But
yeah, sorry, this is Sinead's. Yes, bitch. Yes, work it. Shake it. Jumper, which is like just a granddad jumper. Right, there you go. You can see it properly now. It's just really cute. Cute, comfort. Yes. Yes. Ralph Lauren. A giraffe with aliens. What if I have to like love it?
Like I will go and beat up your boyfriend and then try some of this on though. I should probably do a little bit. I think it's Korean. I don't. Most of my hoodies are way oversized. So.
Hi guys, different setting because I said in the last clip that I was going home, but I'm now actually near London. So I'm at my auntie's house right now. I forgot to show you one of the jumpers. It's like huge. I can like swallow myself in it. This is from the kilo sale. Since making the video, I've realised I really enjoy vintage shopping. I'm going to make it like a bit of a series here on my channel. Coming up in the next couple of days, there will be a charity shop haul coming, which I found like gems. And I'll also be visiting some more vintage charity shops, thrift shops in a couple more cities, which you should stay tuned for. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya. I love it, love.